How to uninstall Uniswap application from your iPhone device. I guess first thing is to uninstall Uniswap app on your mobile devices. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. In order to delete the Uniswap application, just hold the app for a second. Once you hold it, you can see the option for remove app, require face ID, share app. Click on remove app. After you click on it, tap on delete app. Now again click and delete. After you click and delete, your app will be instantly deleted from your iPhone devices. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna install Uniswap application on your iPhone device. If you guys have any issues regarding Uniswap application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one, and if you guys have any issues regarding Uniswap, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. Bye bye.